Did you know a sound louder than any known animal echoed from the deepest parts of the ocean? Detected by NOAA in 1997, this bloop remains one of the most perplexing deep-sea mysteries. Its unique signature, picked up thousands of miles away, defied explanation. Scientists theorized geological activity, but the amplitude and frequency pointed to something far grander, perhaps a colossal, undiscovered marine organism. Though later attributed to icequakes from Antarctic icebergs, the sheer power and localized origin of the bloop continue to fuel speculation. Could we truly know what lies in the ocean's deepest, unexplored trenches? What other giants await discovery?